What's the meaning of copper? Copper. Copper.
Copper. Copper. Copper is a chemical element with the symbol Cu and atomic number 29. It is a soft, malleable, and ductile metal with very high thermal and electrical conductivity. Copper is an essential trace element in the human body and plays a role in numerous physiological processes. It is widely used in electrical wiring, plumbing, construction, and industrial applications. Copper has a characteristic reddish-orange color and is often used as a decorative material. Due to its excellent heat and electrical conductivity, copper is also commonly used in electronics and renewable energy technologies.